Meet my family from the beauty of Sicily's coastline, Falcone and Milazzo, and its connection to the bounty of the sea, the fishermen and fisherwomen of Sicily, my town, my people's town, where our heritage comes from, grandfathers, great-grandfathers, uncles, aunties. Meet the fishermen and fisherwomen and learn all about their traditional practices and how they were able to catch fish and create recipes that lasted for generations to come. I want to share those recipes with you, and in each of the videos that I do, I want to tell you a little about these men and women who sacrificed their lives so that we could have a future. And they gave so much of their life for their children and grandchildren. I want to share with you their story. I hope that you enjoy the videos that are becoming, and my nonna and family and people that are my heritage. So many people that have created so much for me to be a part of and enjoy my family.